So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in FSUTIL space BEHAVIOR space set space disable delete notify space 0 and then click on enter. And now you want to type in power CFG space -H space off and then click on enter. And now you want to type in CHKDSK space and now your SSD drive letter. For me it's going to be C:. You want to type in your SSD drive letter space /F space /R and then click on enter. Now either a scan's going to start running for you right now. If it doesn't though, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. Now if the scan did start running for you, just restart your computer and this should not fix your problem. However, if this came up where it said type in Y or N and you typed in Y, now we're going to restart our computer. But keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in and you'll now be running this scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and this will now fix your problem.